we're really looking at creating our graphs now with Google Docs. We've done them with Excel, but we can also do them with Google Docs. So we're kind of looking at finished products like this. So let's take a look. There's a couple ways to enter the data. I highly recommend doing it this way when you're using Google Docs. You can enter it as you see over here. It'll work both ways, but let's take a look at this. If I want to create the graph, I can just select all of these cells, even including the hex cam. I go up here to insert and I say chart, and it pretty well has me. There's the line graph right there, right? Now I do have to be able to play around with some things. So I'm gonna double click here and I'm gonna say, and actually you see where it says title text? I can say hex cam data. And then now I want to go over here. This is displacement. That's fine. And here's the angle. That's fine. But I can also click here again on this hex cam data and bold it, bold the title, and go ahead and center it up. Okay, and that's really my data. Let's take a look though if we would enter it like this. So unlike like last time, let's say I go ahead and select all of this, right? So I've selected all of that. I go up here to insert and I say chart. It turns it into a bar graph. I could go over here to column chart and I could say, give me a line graph, but that's not it. So what we found out is it's doing that because we selected this hex cam here. So if we're going to enter our data like this, we can only select the numbers. So we'll go to insert and we'll say chart again, and there it is now. Well, we've got to go to customize, and we're going to have to change some things like chart axis and titles. Right now it's empty, so we'll call it hex cam data, just like before. And we can bold it and we can center it, right? So I've got the axis and titles. Let's take a look now at horizontal, right? So we can change all that. We can also go to our vertical and change that as well.